Hello, my name is Teacher Gon. What's your name? Wow, nice to meet you, Andy. Andy, how are you today? Oh, you are very happy. That's good to hear, Andy. Okay, Andy, are you ready to learn today? Okay, great job. Okay, can you say I am ready? Can you say I am ready? Very good. Okay, Andy, for today's lesson, we will discuss about animals. So, Andy, are you ready? Really ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, Andy, I have some pictures here and you will guess what it is, okay? Or I will give some hints or anything. What do you see, Andy? It's a dog. Very good. Can you see dog? Dog. Okay, dog. Again, can you see dog? Dog. Okay. Dog says woof, woof. Can you bark like a dog? Like this. Woof, woof. Can you do it for me, Andy? Okay, again. Like this. Ready? Okay. One, two, three, go. Woof, woof. Great job. Give yourself a clap. Okay, Andy. So again, what is this? It's a dog. Very good. Okay. Next, Andy. You know what is this? Oh, it's a monkey. Can you see again? Monkey. Again. Monkey. Very good. Okay. Monkey. Okay. You know what monkey does? What what the monkey says or sound or act? Okay, like this. Monkey says ooh ah ooh ah. And can you jump like a monkey? Like this. Ooh ah. Okay. Okay, let's do it together. One, two, three, go. Ooh ah ooh ah ooh. Very good. Because of that, I will give you a rainbow star. Good job, Andy. Okay, so what is this again? It's a monkey. Great job. Okay, the next one. Can you say what is this? It's a fish. Bird. Can you say again? Fish. Again, fish. You know how fish swims or fish sounds, Andy? You know? Okay, like this, Andy. You put your hands together and you say shh, shh, swim, swim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep. Very good. Great job, Andy. So again, what is this? It's a fish. Very good, Andy. And for the last one, Andy, what do you see? It's a butterfly. Can you say it again? Butterfly. Again. Butterfly. Very good. You know how butterfly fly? You know how it does? Okay. You put your hands like this and just like this. Fly, fly, fly. The butterfly flies. Again, very good, Andy. Another great job. And I will give you a rainbow star. Good job, Andy. Okay, Andy. Let's have some review. Okay, let's review it, Andy. Okay, what is this again? It's a dog. And how dog barks? Like woof, woof, woof. Very good, Andy. How about is this? Monkey. Okay, monkey. Okay, very good. How monkey accent sound? Okay, like this. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Very good, Andy. Okay, for the third one, it's a again, third fish. Very good, Andy. Okay, how does fish swim? Okay, like this. Again, ready, go. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Very good, Andy. And for the last one, what is this again? It's a butterfly. Okay. Good job, Andy. Okay, and how butterfly flies like this? Fly, fly, fly. Okay, Andy. So, Andy, it is a great job today. You have a great job, and we learned together, and I know that you learned as well. That's good.